morning, guys. Today we are going to be going to Michigan to purchase my first real estate investment property. I'm so excited. Thank you for tuning into the episode, and let's get to it.
Wake your ass
So to start off, we're first going to do some shopping. We're going to get there a little early, and then after that, I'm going to meet up with the real estate agent, do a walkthrough of the property. We're going to sign some paperwork, and then afterwards, we are going to be all set to close, and I'm going to give you guys a quick little tour, first impressions. I am working with Paul, so you guys are going to get to see him. He has his own YouTube channel called Paul Wolfer, so check him out. You guys will see him later on in the video, but it's going to be an exciting day. Let's get to it. All right, so as typical, I usually start my road trips in the morning here. This isn't even much of a road trip anymore. It's only about a 4-hour drive. There's about a 1-hour difference with the Eastern Standard Time that I'll be living in. 5 hours there, 3 hours back. This particular day, it had snowed the day before, so you guys are going to see some nice little trees with snow. They call it the winter wonderland for a reason. All right, so it's cleared up a little bit, a lot more light. It's pretty dark. It's dark until about 7:30, 40. But now we got some Big B coffee here. We are sipping on the way there. We've got about an hour to the arrival, so we'll check in then. Now, a little bit behind the reason for the move here. I am moving specifically for work reasons. So the job that I'm doing allows me to really accelerate my income and my growth if I can relocate. So I chose to take a risk and relocate to a brand new city where I don't know anybody, just for the career advancement. I'm going to be able to double or triple my income, and I'm already doing pretty well. So this is really going to kickstart my future, but it also guarantees my future back in Chicago or anywhere else in the country. The position that I have is a selling position. So if you can do good and demonstrate and let your numbers talk, you can take that anywhere else that you want to go. So I've always wanted to live elsewhere, such as the West Coast, Colorado, Arizona, Utah, Washington, somewhere out there. And this opens up those doors. I'm very excited. It's going to be difficult and new, but life's all about taking risks. And boy, yeah, this is going to be a big one. All right, so we've made it to the closing company here. We're going to get the paperwork signed and the keys handed over. Afterwards, we're going to go check out the house, and I'm going to give you guys a first look at my first investment property. All right, guys, so I ended up working with Paul from YouTube. If you guys are in Detroit, Michigan, anywhere in this area, he is a great contact for you guys to find some of this property. Great agent all along the way. And yes, luckily, after a bunch of paperwork, my hand's a little sore. This paperwork has been signed, and now I am officially a homeowner.
Congratulations, sir.
Thank you, Paul.
You picked a good one.
Thank you. We're going to go back to the house here in a little bit and show you guys around. But again, if you guys need anything, Paul, I'm going to put his YouTube here below if you guys are looking for a house. And he's going to take care of you guys. All right, guys, so we are at the property that I just purchased right now. We got the Bronco parked out back here. I'm going to give you guys a quick tour, starting off with the backyard. We got a 2.5 car garage. I'm going to be able to fit the Tahoe and the Trackhawk when I get that soon. I've got a nice fenced-in backyard with a cherry blossom tree. Probably going to upgrade the patio here, maybe add some brickwork. Definitely going to level out the lawn here, add some sod, and make it look real nice. Brand new units with AC and furnace. And let's take a look at the inside here, starting off with the back, just because I don't want to reveal the front yet for privacy reasons. So let's walk in and check it out. With the kitchen, my plans for upgrading this is as follows. I am going to change the countertops here, upgrade it maybe with some nice granite, change the cabinets as well. I'm definitely going to upgrade the sink here. It's a little old, as well as just this kitchen overall. Basically, we're going to do a full kitchen upgrade down the road. Flooring is also probably going to be upgraded. I like this. This looks like this is vinyl, which I don't mind at all. We got tile up here in the front. Nice little closet for when you first walk in. This is the living room. Bedroom number 1. This is a kid's bedroom. Nice closet here. Walking down here, we have the bathroom. Bathroom is gonna have a complete redo. I don't really like the tub, so we're probably gonna do something different here. Out here we have our second bedroom. And then this is the third bedroom that kind of has a weird door out there to the back. I don't mind it at all, probably gonna be a PC room. Flooring is gonna be redone for the entire unit here. I'm not a big fan of the wood and I'd rather have some nice tiles, so we're probably gonna get some better flooring. But it's all in good condition nonetheless. Now let's take a look at the basement here. The basement is finished, which I really wanted to have done because I didn't want to have to worry about doing a basement. Down here, we've got a nice living room. We got some surround sound system set up for sound already. Our entertainment section would be here. Mount a nice TV here. We've got an office here where you can work from home. It's gonna look nice. Our furnace is in there, so we're not gonna look at that. Nice little mirror here so that we can check out the fits when we're looking clean. A legal bedroom. I don't know what I'm gonna use this for, but we'll find use. Laundry room is in here, nothing fancy. And then we have a second bathroom down here. I might not even do anything to it. But as you can see here, nice, beautiful shower with some nice tile walls. I really like this bathroom in here. So yes, that is it. This is the investment property that I've been working towards. I'm gonna be living here and upgrading it as we speak. That's what I'm gonna be focusing on for the next couple of months. So there might be a bit of a slowdown in the Tahoe content because obviously we're gonna have to allocate some of the funds to the house, but that's all right because this is all part of the bigger picture here. I'm excited to live here. I'm excited for the blessings and all the work that I've put in to get to where I am now and just be able to enjoy all that. So thank you guys for tapping in. I know this is kind of a different type of video. This is not the Tahoe content, but it's all part of the bigger picture. And I'm glad that you guys are here for the ride. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you around.